Tried with a normal one, but just... There we go. Okay.
Alright. I found a jeep for us to move later.
Here we go.
You better move.
Why is
You're
it
pulling up too fast,
so touchy,
man.
Dude.
Oh no! Do not land in the water.
I'm not gonna go back to pick you guys.
Okay, there you go. Now you've got
Yeah.
speed to excel.
I'm good now.
Every time you tilt up, it slows you down.
I know, I didn't realize how touchy it was. I've never driven this damn thing before. Are you stopping or keep going? Okay.
No, I keep going. I'm just trying to.
He's shooting at us now. He hit us once.
How can he see us?
I don't know.
You're just guessing, I guess.
That's a pretty good guess.
Yeah, that was a pretty good guess.
Because I can barely see you guys.
What?
I know where you guys.
Alright, now let's just get fishy.
Whoa! That one was a lot closer. we need to
Alright,
land
we're landing.
now.
Oh no! We're gonna glide. We're just gonna glide.
Oh, they're shooting the hell out of me. I'm gonna die.
Don't
Go
die.
down. Get the fuck out of the sky.
Perfect.
This is funny.
I just missed him with that. He keep running. Oh, he just went prone on that tree. 330.
Did it?
Knocked him. Finally stopped, you little bastard. Thank you.
I'm looking to see.
Whoa. 285 boomer.
Holy
Whoa! Jesus!
He's crossing the road, I can see.
crap.
Knocked him out.
Nice. Can you finish?
No, he's behind the tree.
Can't
But
see.
maybe. I'll shot at him. They're gonna steal my kill, I think. You motherfucker.
Yeah, he did. Three 330.
Again?
The same spot we keep it
Oh,
there.
yep, yep. He's
getting
getting wrecked.
shot
He
down.
got wrecked.
Oh!
Still. I stole.
What?
Hey,
Somebody's
right
blowing
on
up
us.
tires.
I'm out of meds.
Yeah, he's in the window. I saw him.
We're right in the
Second
middle
floor.
here.
Second floor, he is.
Tagged another guy out in the woods.
I double headshot the guy, level 3 health, and he didn't die.
Just wait for him to come in the building.
Oh!
I saw that coming. That's why I moved out of the room and I went both. Oh.
Please God, no!
So it's one, then there's... It's that
Got him?
guy, and then there's that guy from the house. That's it, I think.
Oh!
Ah!
Are you kidding me?
He's getting shot at. He's dead. It's just... Oh, he's right across from us. I can't res you right now.
Okay. Get me. I think he's trying to frag. Please, miss.
Whew, that was close.
So it's only this guy inside the house.
Yep.
What direction?
The red house, I think.
It's on the roof, I think.
I went outside.
Oh, he didn't die. You're kidding me, dude. He's second floor. I threw fire on him.
No, you threw fire on me, but thanks though.
No, I threw second floor.
Yeah, it landed on me.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck? PUBG physics.
Alright, I'm on the other side of the red house. He's in the building.
Yeah, he's inside.
Yeah, I'm on this back wall.
He's got no choice now.
Yeah, he's coming out now.
That would have been hilarious, dude.
Dude, just get your gun ready so we'll fuck this up.
Yeah, there was no
Poor
fucking
guy.
way to that.
That's funny. GG.
Had you hit him with that pan, that would have been fucking hilarious.
That was